Hey guys, what's going on? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. I'm going to go right into the price action today. Bitcoin is down a little bit, 9,382. I was very happy yesterday because I got my sale off. I didn't get the peak at 9,600, but I did catch around 9,472, so that wasn't so bad. As you can see, we're still in this downward descending wedge, which also kind of looks like a bull flag if you put it like that. But we're going to probably be retesting some lower levels, in my opinion, here. So hopefully it will be another chance to accumulate or to get back into the market if you are not. But if it does retest some of these lower levels, we could see some of these levels down here if there was to break out to the downside out of this channel. Now there is an 80% chance that it would break to the upside, and that's just the way these patterns are formed. Let's look at the coin market cap. Volume is at $35 trillion. Bitcoin's still ranking 1, Ethereum still number 2. Now Ethereum was just recently at like 200 some dollars, had a little bit of a spike up, but I don't think we're ever going to see some of those old school highs that we saw back in the day of over 1,000 Ethereum, and I just don't think it'll happen. But who knows? The market does what it wants. One coin I'm really excited about, which is in the top 100, is Electroneum. Now this coin's really exciting because of the way it operates. It has long downtrods of just very accumulating stage or almost bearish scenario, and then big spikes. So for instance, going from half a cent all the way up to 2 cents, I mean, that's huge. And then again recently from 1/10 of a cent all the way up to over a cent. Actually, this chart is not accurate, and I don't know why they do that, but that's just the way they do things. There we go. So that was the peak there at 1 cent and 65 Satoshi. And Electroneum is just a really good project. If you guys don't know much about it, check it out. They were doing mining rewards up until just recently when they hit 300,000 users and then cut it off to start their phase 2. One other thing that's been going on is Cardano and Ethereum prices surging along with Bitcoin. I think XLM will follow. XLM is just another popular coin, and definitely one to be looking at right now. Price of Bitcoin has been trading in a defined range over the past few weeks. As the halving hype has passed, Bitcoin's price action has also led to increased volatility in altcoins. Some of the smaller altcoins have been showing impressive strength. So far, Theta token and Band protocol have been heavy movers. So hopefully Cardano and Ethereum can continue their rises, and Bitcoin is just, I think, waiting for a big pump. We've been in this stage now of, I don't know if you guys can see that too good, but a reaccumulation stage. There was the bull market after the last halving, the bear market, the accumulation, the expansion, the reaccumulation, which it actually fit right in that box nicely. And then after this halving, instead of having a drop off like the last halving, since everyone expected it, I think it's actually going to just remain sideways a little bit. And the worst drop off we're going to get is maybe a 6,000. I don't know if we're going to see threes again. And honest to God, the lower it goes, the more chance it is just to buy it. I think you're always going to see a $10,000 Bitcoin. And the way it sounds like Bitcoin's going to hit much higher over the next year, and even the next just the next year, and definitely over the next several years. They're talking a $288,000 Bitcoin, which seems crazy, but it actually can happen. So for the short-term price action, I'm actually thinking there's going to be a little bit of a pullback. We're seeing the 20 close EMA pressuring above and then pressuring down below. The Bollinger Band's tightening up, and so is the negative pressure. So I think there's going to be a little bit of a break to the downside, maybe testing the $9,200 level again. I think that's what's going to happen in the short term. But in the long term, I think we're just playing out a soon-to-be breaking to hopefully to the upside, which would be very nice. Everyone's talking about seeing a $15,000 Bitcoin. There's a bunch of other YouTubers out there that are onto it too. One that I like a lot is Crypto Zombie. He's just a lot of fun to watch. And The Moon with Carl. He's definitely really good too. There's a bunch of others out there, but those are ones I really like a lot. Be sure to subscribe and follow their pages as well as my own, as I'm just getting started, and you know, there's much to do, and I want to continue to expand my page and continue to grow my page and get better at you know, doing YouTube videos and stuff. One thing I really want to work on is just getting better graphics for my YouTube channel. But that's about it for the price action today, guys. Be sure to subscribe and come and check me out again. I'm going to try and do streams as much as I can, working towards an everyday stream. And thanks for coming around. All right, guys. Catch you later.